What's going on, guys? Chad here at MarineMax Jupiter. Today we're doing a walkthrough video on this all new, fresh from the factory, Sea Ray 32 Sundancer. We're gonna get right into it. So this boat's equipped with triple 250 V8 outboards in the white. It's gonna go well with the color packages on this boat. With the gray interior, we have the quantum blue exterior. With the gray interior, you have gray sea deck going across the transom here. Feels great underneath the feet with the light gray color, really hides stains, also doesn't get too hot. So also in the back, we have this storage compartment in the center. Plenty of room for dock lines, fenders, any tubes or anything like that. Plenty of space back here. Other than that, on the port side, we have another compartment, which is going to have your battery switches, freshwater connection, and your breakers, as well as your shore power. Now, as we move into the boat, you have a Fusion radio here for access if you're hanging off the back of the boat and you don't have to go all the way back up to the helm. Change the music. Also have a freshwater sprayer right here. Maybe you're at the sandbar, you're getting back on the boat, or maybe you're going swimming, you can spray yourself off with that. Now for those people who have younger kids or pets, there's a door here. Simply lift up and swivel. That closes that off, sealing this whole entire area so you can feel safe while you're moving on the water. Now, as I pointed out before, this is the gray interior. Sea Ray refers to it as stone. You can also do white with brown accents, or you can do the brown interior. There's storage underneath all of these seats here. Let me lift one up, just for example. You can see one great feature about Sea Rays is how much storage you have. Now, this boat is equipped with the cockpit table. We have it stowed away right now. That's the mount for it. Underneath my feet, you have the infinity woven vinyl. This is a snap-in material. Can be removed and easily cleaned. You can unsnap it, spread off outside the boat, keep the mess outside of the boat. Great feature. Or if you don't want it, you can remove it. Summer kitchen, we have this nice white countertop, as well as a grill. You have your sink, a couple outlets. You have your hatch that will lift this whole entire aft area up. Then you have the sunshade control. This sunshade will stick out to give everyone this back area sun coverage. Now, also at the summer kitchen here, you have your fridge freezer combo, as well as a trash can. Great for entertaining. Now, throughout this cockpit area, you actually have air conditioning. You have an air conditioning control here, some at the helm, as well as some over on the port. It's a nice cool breeze throughout this cockpit area. And yes, there is air conditioning down below in the cabin as well, but we'll get to that. Plenty of cup holders throughout the cockpit area. You have 2 here, 3 over in the corner there. You got more entertainment features. You could be grilling here. You have your cockpit table out, plenty of cup holders. This is a great entertaining boat. As we move forward, you can see that the seat is adjustable. You can either move it forward. If you want to be facing aft, as everyone's hanging out here, maybe you're at the sandbar entertaining or doing a sunset cruise, and everyone wants to face each other and have a conversation. Or you can move that back and have a forward-facing seat. More cup holders on the port. Another air conditioning vent over here on the starboard. Now, moving to the helm, the captain and co-captain seats are bolstered, so whether you want to sit up, rest your feet on the footrest here, you get a better point of view, or you can drop this down, give yourself some more leg space for a more comfortable seating position. Now at the helm, the air conditioning vent blowing around the captain, which feels incredible in this Florida heat. You also have your joystick, Mercury throttles, all of the switches you would need for the boat here between your lights and your windlass controls, defroster. You have a flush-mounted fusion radio, flush-mounted Simrad electronics. Creates for a great appearance, looks really nice with that acrylic backing. Now, meet me down below in the cabin for the next part of this video. So now this is one of the great features on the 32 Sundancer is this cabin that really separates it from some of the SDX and SLX lines. So down here, like I said, it's both fresh from the factory, so it's still being set up, but you get a table right here which can be lowered, and then there's a filler cushion here to make this a bunk. Or you can have the table here and have a nice entertaining area with this U-shaped seating around it. You have your TV down here. As you can see, a lot of people would be overnighting on this boat. You have curtains which can be shut to cover the natural light here. On the port side, you have another fridge freezer combo, microwave, as well as plenty of storage throughout these cabinets. There's another area to sleep underneath the steps here, as well as a bathroom. This is a wet head, so you actually have the shower port just to the left of the sink there. Now meet me up front for the rest of the walkthrough video. So as we work our way up to the bow, there's a couple more things I wanted to point out. Over here on the port side, you have a storage compartment that's dedicated storage for the bow table. And also, this boat has the full height glass windshield in the front, so you can actually close this door here, and then there's the sliding glass door, which can be sealed off. That'll help block some of the wind as you're moving. Now, working our way up to the bow, more storage on the port here, as well as this beautiful sun lounger, which can hold up to 3 people. So on the sun lounger, you have drop-down armrest here, so you can divide up the 3 seats. You have more cup holders on both sides, as well as speakers up here. And you actually have another fusion radio control over here, so that we don't have to go back to the helm area to change the music. You can enjoy yourself up here in the sun, have your music playing, have your drink in your hand up here. So this has the split bow railing, which is gated off with this. That makes for easy access if you were to go into a dock bow in, maybe you're going up to a sandbar, you want to be able to get off the front this way. Easy access on and off the boat. You also have your windlass here with spotlight. And that's going to wrap up the video on the Sea Ray 32 Sundancer. If you want to see it, come into MarineMax Jupiter or call us today and ask for Chad.